Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can refill all detergents in the dishwasher Whirlpool WS. So the first compartment is for a detergent tap. Just put it inside this hole and close the top. Then close the door and you can start the washing cycle. The rinse aid chamber is located here. Just lift the cover to open it and refill the rinse aid here to the level max. And the last one is salt storage is located inside your device and it's located on the left side. Just open the cover and refill it with the salt. Then close the cover, turn it to the right side and your dishwasher is ready. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.